Oh, spilling my tea. Oh, hi. I'm Jamie, J-Cole TV. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to do a basic border cam overlay for your stream, your YouTube videos, your whatever you want to use it for. It's just a basic guide for newbies to Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects and Photoshop. I can do pretty much all the basics. I do all my own editing, all my own stuff and things. Yeah, things and stuff. But if you did find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. If you want to see more, comment on what you want to see next. And if you want to see more, obviously don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to ask me questions live, we stream over on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday at 8 PM UK time. I'll leave all that good stuff down below, and I'm just going to crack straight on with this video. Shouldn't be a long one because it's pretty straightforward and simple, so easy. And if you don't get what I'm doing and you can't do it yourself, then just hit me up in our Discord. That'll also be in the description and the link section down below. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Good luck with your streaming, YouTube, content creating, whatever you're doing. Good luck with your adventure. Right, so sorry about the mess on my desktop. I am a messy person. Rule number one before we start this video: make sure you have a cup of tea. Make sure you have a cup of tea. You know us Brits like our tea and biscuits, right? Second of all, wearing a hat. Lockdown hair is not good. Shave that shit off, you know? Right, let's just jump straight into it. So we're going to open up our Photoshop. I've got loads of other stuff open. I've got Sea of Thieves open. That's why. Good game, by the way. I've been playing the crap out of that lately. It's an amazing game. Best idea I've heard all night.
I'm going to ram someone.
I'm going to ram you. Yeah! No! Oh, shut! Please, no!
Oh my god! So what is going on here?
Come back, bro. All my other stuff. So we're gonna do create new. Just do. Normally what I do is, I don't know. You can do it at a different size. You can do it like 3000 by 100, but by 1000. Sorry. What I normally do is 1920, obviously by 1080. Leave it on pixels, 72 resolution, pixels each. Don't worry about all that stuff. Leave it white background. We'll just create that. So this will come up like this. What we want to do is, if you want to do like a gradient, let's start with a gradient frame. So we're gonna create a new layer. Just fill this layer. Come up to blending options, and then just go down to gradient overlay. Let's say I was doing this for someone last night. Let's go red. I don't know. Let's go blue. This is the gradient editor. You can add and take away blocks here. So you can like obviously shape your pattern to how you want it. You can add, remove. If you want to remove it, there you go. It's delete. Delete. No, that needs to be there. Right, let's just say that's our pattern. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to create another new layer. Come down to this rectangle tool. Just make your shape. Normally, like what I normally do is I get the snipping tool from Windows, cut over my cut over my webcam from my OBS screen, and then I'll just make the size of the box to that image of my webcam. Right, so yeah, we have our rectangle tool. All you want to do is just make sure you go up to the top here. So you get all your other editing things and stuffs up here. So you'll get your fill. Turn that off. It's simple. Leave that whatever color. That doesn't really matter. And this is your size of your stroke. And I'll just make it a bit bigger so that you can see what I'm doing. You've got loads of other stuff here you don't need to worry about. Keep that a solid line. Don't want no dashes, dots, or anything like that. You just want to keep it a solid line. And then we just come off of that, grab this rectangle and put it under the layer. As simple as that. And then all you have to do is the line in between your layer and your rectangle, just hold Alt and click. Boom, as simple as that. And then if you want to make it look a little bit more, like, I don't know, make it stand out a little bit more, add a stroke. There we go. I have other other cam designs as well, but that's just a straightforward basic. I wouldn't even call it a tutorial, it's just a little how-to, same sort of thing really, but it's something so simple and effective that anybody can do it with Photoshop. People sit there and they're like, oh, I can't do this, can't do that, I can't create my own cam overlay. It's so simple. I taught myself that in about an hour. Sounds like a long time, but it's not really when you've got all of this stuff that's going on Photoshop. You've got loads and loads of inputs and applications, and there's so much going on. If you just say you've got your shape, you've got your border, and you're like, right, okay, I want to change the color. I'm not happy with the color. You just go straight back into here and just simply change the color again, like whatever you want it. That should look pretty cool. There we go. So that's like something nice and simple. And also there's one more way that you can do it. So if you head on over to Google, just grab, let me just type in grunge black, I don't know, background, yeah? Copy that image, I'll bring that over here. There we go, we have our image, yeah? So once we have our image, we do exactly the same again. We can just straight up remove that. Keep the rectangle the same. You just put another layer, add your rectangle in, drag that to the bottom, Alt and click, and boom, there you go. You have your image inside of your rectangle border layer. And it's as simple as that. So easy. That is the basic, well, my basic guide to doing a border for your Twitch or your YouTube or whatever you want to use it for. If you're just doing podcasts, it's useful for anything, but you've always got these options up here as well. So if you want to make it thinner, me personally, I like sort of thin borders, so there's more of the gameplay to be seen, and the border is just literally a border for your camera. Some people like really big and funky ones, but me personally, I like it nice, short, sweet and small. And that is why this tutorial is not going to be a long one. But yeah, that's my basic guide to doing a border. Sorry if I messed anything up or if I confused you or anything. If I did, make sure you comment or get at me in the Discord or ask me anything else. I've got another video that I can do on a gradient style border. Let me see if I can pick that up real quick. Gameplay. So there we go. So that's the style of border I'm talking about. So all these things down in the bottom as well, like the Instagram social media link that's coming up in the bottom left. I made that myself. Still, I rushed that one. It could be better, but I like it. It does the job. And then the borders, again, simple. I made those. But that can be for another video. Just let me know if you want that sort of thing. For now, that is the tutorial pretty much finished, and it was a short and sweet tutorial. Very, very easy to do if you've got Photoshop. Photoshop is such an amazing application. There's so many different things you can do on Photoshop, but we can get into that stuff later. But if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notifications bell to be notified when the next video goes up. Also, we are live over on Twitch every Monday. No, sorry. Every Monday, we changed schedule, my bad. Every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday at 8 PM UK time. We play a variety of different games. We just talk to chat, just chatting. It's me and Nicole, so we're a couple stream. Yeah, if you wanted to come and check that out and ask me some questions live or just show some support and say hello, that'd be great. I'll see you over on the Twitch. But the links again will be in the description down below. Also, get at me in the Discord. We've got a good little community building over there. Yeah, it's been fun. Nice short and sweet video. Any questions, you know what to do. Peace. Peace. Oh, good. Thanks for the 38.